Alright everybody, let me set the context of this video. In this video mainly I will be scheduling all the lives which are be coming in future. So ultimately I'm here to make a plan, as simple as that, and it will be ready within 10 minutes or something. It's not like it's gonna take a lot of time, but yeah, we do need to have kind of a timing, kind of a schedule. As per that the lives are gonna be on YouTube, okay, and I'm gonna be it's gonna be certain for you that okay, at this particular time this person is gonna go live. So yeah, you can just plan your own things too, in case if you if you wanna feel like studying with me, okay, something like that. It was even needed for me, so I just thought of doing that. So let's simply go ahead. I have already made kind of a plan. I have to just make a thumbnail for that, and I'm gonna be using Canva. So let's do that too. For using Canva, I just better use Google Chrome in here. Let me see the video too by opening YouTube, because I have to set the set this thumbnail for all the videos for further coming lives. Mostly things are okay, it's not like bad. This is quite needed, I think, because if people are there who are actually studying, I mean, who are actually students, and if they want to study with somebody, because if you are studying alone, it could be hard, and this is true. If I talk about me, it is hard for me. I've given my all, still I found myself struggling with this particular thing. So that's only one thing. Study with the people rather than studying alone or doing something alone. If you are doing it with somebody, there's high probability of succeeding in that particular thing. So that's what I believe in, and I found that it does work. It's not like it doesn't work at all. I will be turning the chats off, but maybe soon I will be turning it on too, and I will set a timing like after half an hour or something I will reply, as simple as that. Okay, bye. For now, what do we have to do? Firstly, we have to set the timing. I even have the set the default description and all, but let's open Canva for the we just need to make we don't need to do it. We just need to make a thumbnail for all the further coming live. That's it. It's gonna be like this. Canva is just simply a website where you can design any kind of pic or any kind of thumbnail or anything you like. Let's continue. I think I already have an account with this particular Gmail, so let me check this one out and then see. Well, we get a free trial too over here, but if you have a premier one, it's better. Let me check whether I'm in some rooms or not. Never mind, we don't really need to worry about that. Talking about the rooms, well, excuse me, we are inside a room and this is the room that we are in. I just hope this room has premium subscription and all. So let's search YouTube thumbnail. You thumbnail. Interesting, like this. So which one do we need to choose? Dare to dream big, like this one. But let's see. Something for coding related things, how to grow a register. We don't really need all these things. Well, that's this one that I found good, and this is the top one, like the first one. I think this one is quite better. Even if I just write coding in here, let's see if I find something good. Talking about the schedules, they are really gonna be important to keep you consistent on the right time, because of course, as you're learning in public, you will be live on a daily basis, that is for sure, but you don't know how often and you don't know for how long. So once there is something scheduled, so yeah, no doubt you will be bound to be there anyhow. It's gonna be like that. I'm not that kind of studious guy, honestly, but yeah, I just study a little bit. I do actually, I not does. Forget about English grammar. Well, guess what? Maybe coding school. Oh. Come on, yaar, make it better. Why is that researching? Is that I am getting proper internet connection coding thumbnail. Here we are. I don't really think I'm gonna be getting anything better. Oh, getting quite better things right now at least. I need a thumbnail too. That is the first thing. Okay, because right now on my channel, if I just simply have a look at this, I'll make everything public. Doesn't matter what I do. If I do something related to study, that means that's gonna be public. And of course, the schedule is gonna be shown very soon. What is the problem with this? I should not have this problem. Not at all. Okay, so right now I have this one. Stop look at me. I think this one is even better. This is not bad, so I will not be changing this thing, at least for right now. And I have already changed the description of it. Kind of the time is already set. I will be making some changes in this one. This is not the perfect one, but most of the things are already done. Okay. Where was I? In here. Coding. Well, I don't really think it's a good idea to just keep scrolling over and over. So let's choose any one of them and simply go ahead. And let's go with this one. I think wouldn't it be better? Let's click on this one. I may get some better options. Best steps to learn coding for beginners. Watch now. Though we are keeping a challenge. Use this template. Oh, come on. Try Canva Teams for free. This is insane. I cannot use this one, that is for sure. I do have a website from where I can get the free version of it, free trial of it. But don't really do that thing. Let's do it. Let me join a room. Just a minute. I will not be making it public, but there is a website. And that will take around 2 minutes or something. And there's high probability that that's gonna give me free room for this Canva. Because if I wanna use that, so I will have to have the premium account, and that I don't have right now. So max to max is gonna take just around 1 minute. Yeah, it's gonna take around a minute, and I hope after that it's gonna give me the free version of it. Until then I can explore the new ones. This one I like quite a lot. Dare to dream big. Interesting. Well, this is not a premium one. Amazing. Close your eyes. Wow. I'm sneezing. Wow. Maybe yesterday I had a lot of sweets. That is the reason. But you may have noticed that I have hardly been live nowadays. Like yesterday I went live for just 1 hour. And the day before yesterday it was just for around 2 hours. That's it. And then okay, 2 days before yesterday and all, it was quite okay. But so far it has been quite bad, and that is why I had to take this step anyhow as soon as possible, and that's why I'm here for. It's done. Download it, and I hope I will get the option. Come on, get here updated. Okay, that option is not here anymore. Amazing. Get here will be updated in some hours. That means I had better check later. That right now I don't have that option. Interesting. If I don't have that option, let's customize this template. But there should be a coder in it. We are gonna be astronauts. What are our timings? As per the timing is considered, let's open the not this thing, sorry. In here, let's custom, okay, we can customize it from here on. These are the things that we actually have. Daily schedule, click, copy it. We can do this thing, the best one, and we can just simply paste it. Here is something that we have. We can keep it here. And the morning daily schedules and the evening daily schedules are gonna be on the left side and right side. It's gonna be something like that. And for that particular thing, we need to copy some more things. So it's like these ones. Oh, really? These ones on the left side and then these ones on the right side. What else? Nothing else. I'll have to change the font and all, everything. I'll have to do many things to make it better. For now, let it be like this only. The last thing that we need to do. These are the ones from 330 and all. It may seem to be big. I will be letting you know some other things too. It's not like I will just sit continuously for these many hours. I will take proper breaks for sure. It's not like I'm gonna be just studying continuously. Okay, let's make it better. First of all, as for the font, okay, no, it's an Asia. Roboto, is that? No. What is the problem? Really? Okay, I can increase the length of it as much as I want, so doesn't look that bad. It should be like this or like this. Okay, so daily coding schedule as per the length of it. Something's wrong. Let's make it 0. Daily coding schedule. If I make it capital, it's gonna look like this. Let it be like this. $320 around. It does not look that bad. Talking about these ones, 6 a.m. morning. They are gonna be in this format. Okay, this is insane. Text is too long. Will I have to? I can't even remove the photo of this person. What about the other ones? Any other? Top fitness. Okay, if not this one, then I may find other better ones. And guess what? Not really getting any. Any better? Just need a background. This background is not actually doesn't suit better. And this is the premium account. Of course, I can't use this one. Guess what? I'm gonna go with this one. I can't even go with this one. Can I get the premier account right now? No. Do I have the premium account in other ones? I don't think so. That means I have to go like this only. Mid-morning coding live. Just make it live. That's it. Make it live. That's it. It should be fine this way. I think there's extra spacing for no region. Let's make it 0. Okay, that looks better. All these things were simply taking extra space. If I make them 0, so they will not take that much. Come on, I wanna select the whole thing at once. If I make it 0, so it's gonna take the space like this, and then I can scale it. It looks better now. Yeah, so 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. morning coding live, 10:30 to 2:30 morning coding, mid-morning coding live. Mid-morning. Okay, it can be called mid-morning. Let's do the same thing in here. I think I can there must be copy style, paste style. Haha, interesting. I'm good at it. Sorry, I wanted to copy style. And what is the short? Control Alt C, Control Alt C, copy style, and Control Alt paste style, Control Alt V. Okay, so it's like this. I can make the line spacing around 70. Come on, it can be it. I had just changed the value 0.70, gonna be okay. 0.7, and the length of this line is also going to be 0.7. 0.7, done. So it's gonna be like this. This is not quite bad actually. Not bad at all actually. This is gonna be there. And the other two things that we have, afternoon coding live and all. I had better just change the color of these ones. So the color of the top one is going to be around what? Yellow. Ha, really bad. That was not bad, that bad. I can make it here only. Let's make the width 0 for now. I'm not good at making designs and all, honestly. So let's do our best to make it better. Okay, Control Alt C, copied, Control Alt V, pasted. Things are like this. They are gonna be in here. This is gonna be in here. I hope I'll be able to make it better. At least people will be able to see and get the idea how things are gonna be going on. And that's what I want, don't I? Crazy. Okay. As for these things, I need some colors, and those colors are gonna be okay. If the white is here, that's good, but there can be some more things, like this thing can have green color, something like this. How about this? Control Alt C and then Control Alt V. Sorry, it was my bad. So can't you see that? I want to paste this thing. Can't really do that, never mind. Let's simply change this thing. Where is the color? This is the color. How does it look like? I don't think it looks bad, rather it looks good. Having said that, I am not a professional designer, so if the design is not that good, excuse me for that. I haven't even calculated total timings. I have just made the plan, and here we are working on it. Okay, interesting. Love it. So daily coding schedule. This is that we have. and then we have the schedule, the morning, mid-morning, and then the afternoon, evening, and night schedules that we have. Well, this person is not a coder at all, rather an astronomer. As soon as I get something really like get the free subscription of Canva, I'll make it better. For now, this should be okay. So 6 to 10, that's okay. By the way, that's already passed. I woke up really late today, so this particular timing is gone. Now the plan will be followed from here on, okay? And the plan is gonna be the same. There's gonna be no change. 10:30 to 2:30, that's okay. Having said that, I will be taking proper breaks, like studying for 5 minutes, 10 minutes break, something like this. Then 3:30 to 5:30. It's actually gonna be 5:30 for now. I'll tell you the reason. And then it's gonna be from 6:30 then. 6:30 to 7:30 and 8 to 9:30. In the remaining time, I will take food, I will take the app and all. You get that. Dreams dare to dream big. Aha. Everything's done. Let's download it. Okay, seems to be done. How can I make it? Let's refresh the page first of all. This thing is already done. There's some things that I need to change. Mainly in this one, just a few things. Like this 5:30 should be just something like this. Remaining things are okay. I haven't changed much, and this should be like 6:30 around. I actually made the time yesterday itself because I told in the morning, the day before yesterday, I announced that I would be getting it done very soon, and that got done on Diwali itself. And right now here we are, of course. I can change the thumbnail of it, can't I? I can for sure. Here is the thumbnail thing. The thumbnail is uploading. Don't really need to select any playlist. I would rather be deleting the playlist that I already have. So no need to have a playlist. It's not like something that I have to have anyhow. So that's done. I think I would be able to. Here we are. Okay, here we are. So the thumbnail is like this. Daily schedules are there, so I don't really need to worry about anything. And one last thing that I need to do, and then after that we can just simply go ahead, and that is settings and channel, not really channel, uploads. And in this particular section I need to change this thing again. This should be actually 6:30, and save it. Anything else? One last thing, that is customization. Inside this customization, I have saved this thing again in here. So there are so many things that I have to work on. 5:30, and then this should be 6:30. Why 5:30? Because I need 1 hour in between for getting the household things done, household chores done ultimately. Apart from this thing, I don't really need to change anything else. Okay, interesting. Now we can get started. What time is it? It's 9:46. That means I still have 14 minutes. After that, I'm gonna be taking a half an hour break, and in which I will be actually having my breakfast. But that is not bad actually. Done everything done. Now, as everything's clear now, I think by now you know when I'm gonna come live, when I'm not gonna come live. So it should be clear. If you wanna, it's mainly like studying together or something. Of course, I have tried to study alone and all. That didn't work out for me. So I'm here online, working the things in public. By the way, let's open VS Code right now. Everything's done. We had to make the what did we have to make? We had to make that the thumbnail for the YouTube, so that you already know when I'm gonna come live. That's done. and now we can just simply turn that to-do project that we were working on, and today that will be done. Don't worry, this is gonna be the last day for that to-do project, and after that we are gonna be done with that forever. So this is the app. Actually, we were actually trying to use recoil for state management, that we haven't done yet. Just a few things that we actually used in here. We are giving it just a default value. This way it actually throws it takes time to get the things from the backend, and then we'll have to take care of some of the things, but let's give it like this, like right now. Later on we will improve it. So what am I working on in here? I have a store, I have items, then I'm creating to-dos. Okay. Apart from this thing, I have counter just. Where am I getting it from? Nowhere. Can we just simply go ahead? I think so. So I have installed this recoil package. I'm getting atom method. Yeah. That actually accepts these values. Key to do atom. Default value, I'm giving it like this. Apart from this thing, I have to create one more atom, and that's gonna be like to-dos. To-dos, because I have to filter the things. I haven't even worked on the front end regarding this particular feature. I will be working on that. So to-dos filtered atom, filtered to-dos atom, filtered to-dos atom. How will I filter it? I will create an atom. The key is going to be filtered to-dos atom. That's okay, that's gonna be the same. I even can create it like this. Filter to-dos atom is here. Yeah, same. Default value. What is the default value going to be? Filter to-dos atom. The default value is gonna be all. By default, I have to show all the to-dos. As simple as that. Got that? And once all the values show all, complete show. Okay, let's make it like this so that everything's clear. Show all. By default, I'm going to show all. Then I can show completed, I can show uncompleted. As simple as that. For now, let's keep it like this only. So I'm gonna be showing all, and this show all will be getting changed as per the requirement. There's one thing. CD front end. I haven't worked on the front end of this particular feature. That means I still have to add it. And for this thing, I will have to use options if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Localhost 5173. This is just the home page. Really basic. I know that there's not really a lot of design. I get it, but it will work for us. We will work on designs later on. Then we will create really fancy websites. This is just the simple thing. Nothing is backend is not added so far, so we will be doing that thing very soon. Let's go to to-dos, and in here, just under this create to-do button, we need to have options, and they are gonna be used for selecting particular one. Okay, options in HTML. Let's see. HTML option tag. This is the option tag that we have. We get select, we get give it an ID. That's okay, forget about the ID. Value. Okay, this is something that we actually needed. I hope I'll be able to make it. Why not? I mean, why can't I? Let's go to pages. This is the to-dos page, and here we have that button, create to-do button, and just under this button we need to create one more div. Okay, and this div is gonna contain select, is it like this, and this select will have a value, select, this select will have options, okay, option, and this will have different options. So suppose all, show all, second one will have show completed, third one will have show uncompleted. It's gonna be something like this. These are the three options that we have. Filter to-dos. This particular div is for create to-dos, filter to-dos, and this one is for show to-dos. Models. So these are the comments that I've actually given. So it should be also done. Having said that, I can turn the chats on if needed. I will be able to like a reply maybe in every 1 hour or something, because continuously it's not gonna be possible for me. But yeah, in every 1 hour I will do that. It's something going to be like this. Let me refresh the page. I will mention it there too. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's see the result of this thing, and then we'll be going ahead. Result is really bad. I can give it some style, no doubt, but the good thing is that it is working, right? It's working, that's the best thing, and right now we can of course make it better. So let's give it some style too. Localhost, let's make it to-dos. So how are we gonna be giving it style? Let's think about it. This is the div. First of all, it should have that gray color. So class name bg gray, maybe 700. How does it look like? It looks better. Can I make it just simply blue 700? It should be less than that, but doesn't really look that good. How about making while just checking out the colors for 500? Okay, let's make it. Let's go with the gray. What about 700? Like that was the one. Let's see how the things are gonna be going ahead. I can give it minimum width. Sorry, it can be width minimum. Interesting. I can give it padding x, that's gonna be like 5, or too much, 4. Padding y is gonna be like 2. Rounded is gonna be LG. Okay, let's see. Okay, outline. I don't want this outline of this, so outline is gonna be none. Why am I getting this outline? Okay, never mind. Don't really need this thing. Kind of done for now. Let's talk about this select thing. Class name bg gray. Let's make it 800. Oh, is that so? This is insane. It's gonna look like this only then. Okay, because I have given that width and all. Let's keep it 700 for now. Take px4 py padding by 2 round data. Why am I having to repeat this over and over? Round large. Ultimately I can remove it from here. Can I use outline 9 here? Guess what? It is working. Can I give it a rounded large? I have given it rounded large. Why isn't this rounded? Oh, it should work. But guess what? It is not working. I can still give it some width, and that's px. That's gonna be like 1, 2. Oh, Okay, then this px is gonna be just 2. Interesting. Okay, leading gonna be 5. Too much. I know it's gonna be too much. It does not what? 1, 2. Okay, let me do something really interesting this time. I'm gonna make it flex, column, gap, I even without making that I space, y, 3. Still not working. In options it doesn't work, right? Is that so? Okay, never mind. Okay, yes, I can remove it from here. As per the result, it looks like this. Tuding, 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 tuding. Things are not that bad actually. I can just simply select and then get that with them. Second thing, if I select any one of them, I should get the value of it. Let's give it some value. Value is gonna be like show. The first one is gonna be all. Second one is gonna be completed. Third one is gonna be uncompleted. The question is that what am I sending it? What am I sending? How am I checking? Okay, I'm saving this value show all and all. It's okay, let it be, not bad. For now at least, we'll get the naming things better later on. So this is done, show all. If I just simply refresh the page, nothing happens. If I just simply show uncompleted and refresh the page, show all is comes over here. That's okay, filter. It simply works on that. As for this thing, let me select one thing. Filter, use model. This is mainly for working on the models and all. When it comes to filters, so interesting. Here we have this filter to do items. Where is to do? Const filter to do set filter to do. I'm going to get it use require value, and it will have this. I'm gonna import it this from there. I'm getting these two things, filter to do, set filter to do, and values are these. The values are given then like that. Class name. How can I select the value of select using React? How to select the values of select option in React? Any better things? Function string value option state. Option state can be given some value. Extension. Well, this is deprecated, but still we are getting results like that. Name, value, on change, handle change. Is that so? Let's check. Let's give it a try. Hayla. On select. let's first of all try this one. Value does not exist on type event target. What to do now? On change. It seems to be working. Should we do that? Let's see. Already getting an error. Control W. What is the short form of this? No, not the F12. This component must be used inside require. Module context provider, browser router, another one that we need, require root. Here we are. Here we are. Done. Can't destructure properties, import default, blah 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 blah. The same one I was getting yesterday. Okay, here we are. It is saying cannot destructure the properties. What is it? Never used. Use setter require. Use setter require state. It will only give me that. What does it give it? What does it return it? Good. It returns setter function. That's it. Okay, so ultimately ting and tring and tring, something like this. Now we have this thing. We can set it. Oh no, then we have to get it. My bad. Of course we were doing the right thing, but after setting the value we have to get the value too. So first of all, let's do this thing, and once we get that front end, let's simply inspect it, console.log it, refresh the page, show all, show completed, show uncompleted, show all. So it is working as expected, the way we expected it to work. Amazing. Now once this is working, so I will create a function in here, not coin, const handle to do filter change. I will get an error, event. I will have to keep the name of that event too. Wow, this is how we are gonna be going ahead. We will be setting the value, set filter to do, and that's gonna be set filter to do. Wow, really? No, sorry, event dot target dot value. Question is, parameter has implicitly any type for select in React. I don't remember these things honestly. Type for select in React. I think when I'm gonna keep working on this, I will know it automatically. They'll be saved in my mind, but for now they are not saved yet. Selected, select type in React. Select event type in React. On change event using it. I do not take the help of AI. I just wanna figure the things on my own. Because you know AI can give you change event, HTML select element. Okay, really easy. Sorry. AI can give you result in an instance, but you will not be using your mind over there. So firstly we are using change event, that is why we are using this one, and then on which HTML select element. So we are using change method on HTML select element, as simple as that. thing, handle to do filter change. Done. Fill. It should be filter. Filter. Yeah. Okay, it's English, can't find that. Is it okay? Are you happy? Yeah. That's one thing. It's at 10. Interesting. Quite bad. Guess what? As per the time, you must be knowing the timing right now, right? As per the timing, at 10 o'clock I will stop, and then after at 10:30 the live will start again. So we have to go as per the plan that we have made for ourselves. So I will be ending this thing right now, and just at 10:30 I'm gonna be back and continue this thing. So as the plan is being followed, you can just keep this particular thing in your mind too, like at this particular time this person is gonna come back. One more thing, you can study along. It could be the best thing actually. When you are studying with somebody, of course there's high probability of the consistency and something like that. So you can study along. I will be turning the chats on too. It's not like I will turn it off, but I will be fixing the time to reply and all. So that was it. I will be just coming back at 10:30 around. Until then, yeah, just take a break. Bye bye.